Introducing Floofer, the heat-sensing puppy. This Stuffy was sewn using a various amount of efficient sewing techniques and has a lot of structural components built in to keep it stable. It is able to detect warmth, heat, and coolness, and shows this data by the use of colored LEDs. When a hot object is placed on top of the flat surface of the Stuffy, the 3 temperature sensors located below the surface detect this temperature change. After waiting for typically about 15 seconds, the system will detect the high heat of the object and the LEDs will change to red. When a cool object is placed on top, the opposite will happen and the LEDs will turn blue. As we freeze frame for a moment, let's talk about how I created this one-of-a-kind Stuffy. 2 of the most interesting things that I learned while making the Stuffy were how to make clean sewing lines and how to code using Hummingbird. By inverting the 2 parts that I sewed, I can hide the sewing lines inside, which I used to make the connection between the top surface to the body clean. I also learned how to use block coding in Hummingbird, which is pretty helpful in making my code quick and easy. I created the Stuffy by first sketching out a rough draft of the design, and after I was satisfied, I then modeled it into a 3D model. Using this model, I got real materials and sewed it together, which turned out to be a pretty big challenge since I messed up a lot and it took a lot of time. I then began coding, which was my second challenge. It was very tedious testing the Stuffy over and over again, but I eventually managed to make it work better than I thought. It even includes a timeout feature to save battery. But wait, that's not the only purpose it has. If you want, Floofer can become a very cute work companion to help you through your day. Or, Floofer can just be your best friend, just when you need someone to hang out with, all but adding to her cool factor. Floofer, the heat-sensing puppy. Bye now!